The next nail that we're going to be demonstrating is a nail extension using the Artisan nail mold form. So the first thing we want to do is to size our customer's natural nail. I'm going to be using the Blossom Pink, and we're just going to create the entire nail out of the Blossom Pink. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice off the amount of product that I need, and what I want to do is I'm going to deposit that onto my form. What I like to do is use my spatula to push it down to the length that I want and spread it slightly inside the form. Now I'm going to take my brush and dampen a little bit with our smoother lotion, and I'm going to make sure that the free edge of what will be the free edge of the nail is nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to take the form. We're going to place it up at the cuticle line and very gently lay it down onto the nail. And what I'm going to be doing here is just wiping away any excess flex gel around the cuticle area. I'm going to take my brush on the underside, and I don't want any high areas on the underside. When we're happy with the placement, we're going to go into the lamp for 60 seconds. Once the nail comes out of the lamp after we've cured it for 60 seconds, all we have to do is hold the form by the little tabs and rock it gently back and forth, and you'll see that it just gently lifts away from the nail. All we have to do is take a 180 grit file, and I'm going to make sure that my sidewalls are nice and smooth, and I'm going to take my Artisan Gel Effects top coat, and we're just going to top coat it. We're going to go into the lamp for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, we're going to take the nail out. Because this is a gel top coat, it will have that tacky inhibition layer on there. I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with our Artisan Multipurpose Gel Cleanser, and we're just going to remove that inhibition layer.